Hey guys, I'm here with Cameron, one of our technology strategists. We're live here in SUSEcon. Cameron will be presenting this week. Cameron, do you want to give us a quick synopsis of what you'll be talking about?
Absolutely. So I'm going to be talking about getting behind the adoption of OpenStack, and really it's all about the adoption and really how to start using OpenStack in your environment, and what tools you need to adopt OpenStack. Some of those tools to migrate from other platforms that you might be using, like VMware or Zen virtualization or just KVM, but also just the tools behind that, and what kinds of things that you might need to do to get behind OpenStack and start utilizing that in your environment and utilizing that investment. Because that's what's really important, is getting behind the big investment that you have there with OpenStack.
All right, so what's next for OpenStack? What does the future look like?
Well, there's a lot of things that are going on currently, especially on our development team. We've got quite a few sessions. I know from our product management team that they're going to be talking about the future of OpenStack. So definitely join those sessions this week, because there's some important things and important directions that we're going to be talking about, especially around containerization.
All right, guys, so if you have questions about OpenStack, Cameron is your guy. Don't miss this session. Thank you.